Quit photo bombing on myself. Oh.
Oh, he's watching NBA game. He wants some.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
I'm laughing lands in our food.
Be quiet. Oh, that's not even funny.
That's a lot. It's not
Oh.
God! Hey, how do we put some bird on it?
How about we all sit down and maybe he'll go out?
You don't have no kind of net, like a fish net.
Jack has one in his room if he goes in.
Huh?
Oh, just y'all don't let him through that door.
No, get out of the way of the door. Then I'll leave.
Go, bud. There's a window right there. Hey, come here with the pillow coats. Maybe he'll go down.
I got it. Here.
I'm gonna knock him out of the air right before he get here.
Don't hurt him.
I'm not. I'm just going to hit him with a broom.
I got it.
We need a net.
Coatsy, just tap him. Maybe he'll go down. Hold it up high.
Oh God.
That didn't work.
We need a net.
Okay, Granny wants a net. Go get a net off your wall, Jackie.
Yes, they want it actually in the bathroom upstairs, but he will get stuck in the net.
We need a net.
It's in Cal's
Ooh,
bathroom.
he's like in poop mode right now.
Oh, give me that so I go
Ooh.
Go get Cal. Then.
You almost killed him! Oh my God! Coatsy! There we go! Go, go, go! Coach, don't hit him! Come on!
Coach, no. Go get Cal. Go get the net upstairs.
That's somebody's baby.
Cal, Jack, go upstairs and get the net
Just
upstairs.
ran into the pool.
That's a perfect net.
That bird that weighs 5 ounces is not flying to that pillow.
Go get net.
They went to get it. Okay, move with that ball.
We go now.
What should we do with the net, Granny?
Just catch a butterfly.
Are we going to catch it like a butterfly?
You think they go stay the same place that all the people screaming hard on her?
Probably not. Well, Brian almost killed it with a pillow.
Nah, he think he go shoot like basketball. There ain't no walk. Need a little bird, go net and go inside. Nice.
I left the front door open a little.
Granny wants to be nice.
Wait a minute, Cap.
Paige.
They bring the net.
She does not want this bird hurt. Right?
I know, but you gonna throw more.
That's your job, Keisha. Keep that pillow in the air.
Are they getting it? Keisha, yell at them. Say, get the net.
Hey, you watch that potato soup over burn it.
That boy said it's broke. Bring it, Jack. Let's see if we work a week.
Give me that net.
We have a bird in the house. Granny, how old are you? How old are you?
28.
My grandmother, who's 28, is trying to rescue the bird. And we now have a net.
That's what you
Oh, it is really broke. Wait, give it a Sachi.
Cook.
Coach, give it a
There's
Sachi.
a brand new one in the bathroom.
That's-
Above the shower.
In the bathroom?
In the bathroom. Yes,